Not a real video.
Always Connor's there. Giving you guys a reminder. How to cook a
Do
marshmallow.
not try this at home.
Well, you can if you're old enough.
Yeah.
Yeah,
If you're age 6 or
no,
younger, if you're age
if you're 9 or older, you can do this.
I can do it.
How to light a marshmallow.
If you're 8 or under, you can't do it.
Yeah. How to cook a marshmallow without a fire pit. It's easy. I actually burned my finger. And
What's the bean boozled challenge?
I don't know. I've been looking for it all morning. There you go. Now you have a cooked marshmallow.
Not fully cooked.
No,
You just need like a little bit of a bigger lighter.
It's still good. That's how you do it. It's still melty. That's how you do it.
Yep.